Hello everyone, so I have my Aroeve air purifier that I ordered from Amazon, and I just want to show y'all the filter replacement. And first of all, let's dive into how it works first. So I got my power button right here. You just turn it on, and then this is high or low, and then this is quiet, and then it will turn off, turn it on again. This is your time setting. It's a little dusty, sorry. But you got your 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. And then this will be for the light. So we have light that comes out from the bottom, this part. And then if you tap it again, it's some from the upper part. And then you can choose no light if you don't want any lighting in the area. So most of all, the thing about this air purifier is that I like that it comes with a diffuser. So what I would do is open this top part, and I will add my essential oil directly on top of this. As you can see, I've been using it a lot. Add a few drops like directly on top of this sheet right there, and then just close it, and it will automatically do its thing. So if you need to change a filter, this light will be red that comes out at the top. It will be red, so that's the indicator that you need to change your filter. So let's get into the filter replacement. So this is the filter that I ordered off of Amazon as well. Both of the links will be listed in the description box. By the way, I just want to point that out. Unplug this first, because you have to unplug it first. I'm gonna twist for the unlock. This is the filter that comes with it. So during your first use, just make sure you remove the plastic off of it before you even use it. But this is what it looks like. Make sure that's in there. And then turn it to lock it. Okay, now that the new filter is back in, I'm just gonna plug this back up. I'm just gonna hold this for 2 seconds, and then the red light should come on to reset it. There it is. And that's everything. And then good as new.